Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmozhi, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on solved problems in purchase budget or in production budget from the subject Management Accounting. It is based on the curriculum of all universities on this subject. Now we move on to the problems for purchase budget. A sample I have given you. It's a solved. It's very easy to understand. Martin Limited plans to sell for the next year. Before we move into the purchase budget or the production budget, a small introduction which I have given you already in the previous videos. Anyway, just a gist of it. Production budget is based on sales budget. Unless production itself is the key factor. It shows the budgeted quantity of output to be produced during a specific period. It has two parts, one showing the output for the period and other showing the production costs. The following key elements are considered while preparing the production budget. First one is your production planning. In production planning, the utilization of plant, wastage, defectives, spoilages, bottlenecks in production like shortage of materials, men and power, etc. are considered in deciding the quantity to be produced. Second one is the volume or quantity of output. Production budget determines the targets of quantity to be produced during a period. Third one, quantities of stock. While deciding the volume of production, the opening and the closing stocks are to be taken into account. Fourth one is coordination with the sales budget. We have seen already that this budget is based on sales budget. Now, sales budget is the basis for preparing production budget. How to make for an effective production budget? By preparing this budget, it would be helpful in minimization of wastage, spoilage, defectives. Second one is avoidance of overstocking. Next is the production of required quantities at the right time as per schedule. Now we move on to the problem. Martin Limited plans to sell for the next year 50,000 units of a particular product. Two kinds of raw materials, A and B, are required for manufacturing the product. Each unit of the product requires 2 units of A and 3 units of B. The estimated opening balances at the commencement of the next year are finished product they have given as 8,000 units and raw materials for A it is 12,000 units, B it is 15,000 units. Next, the desired closing balances at the end of the next year is finished product is 6,000 units, raw materials for A it is 13,000 units, B it is 16,000 units. Now the question asked is, draw up a raw materials purchase budget for the next year. How are we to move with? First, we have to find out the estimated production. To derive the answer as materials to be purchased during the budget period. Next, how are we to do it is to proceed with, there's a formula to continue. It is expected sales plus desired closing stock minus estimated opening stock. Already the expected sales is given as 50,000 in the starting plus desired closing stock is given as 6,000 and estimated opening stock is given as 8,000. So the estimated production answer we get it as 48,000 units. Now how to proceed with the sum. Particulars column for material A and material B, it is separate. Material required for production of material A at the rate of 2 units is asked for. Okay. So with 48,000, this is a derived answer 48,000 into 2, you get 96,000. Hope you understand this. 48,000 is our answer for estimated production we got. Expected is 2 units, then requires 2 units. So it is 48,000 into 2, you get 96,000. Same way for material B, it is 48,000. The desired is 3 units of B. Product requires 3 units of B they have given. So 48,000 into 3, you get 1,44,000. With this, we add the closing stock, desired closing stock. Desired closing of material at the end of the budget period is given as, already it is given in the sum, it is 13,000 units for A and 16,000 units for B. Now from 96,000 we add 13,000 for material A, so 1,09,000 we get, and for material B 1,44,000 plus 16,000 you get 1,60,000. With this, we deduct estimated opening balance of materials at the beginning of the budget period. For A, it is 12,000 and for B, it is 15,000. So with this, 1,09,000 minus 12,000, you get 97,000 for material A, and 1,60,000 minus 15,000, you get 1,45,000. Hope you would understood the problem with purchase budget. We would meet in the next video. Thank you.